Well, it appears as if we've actually finally combated the condensation issue. We've been battling it for years, certainly on the front windshield. It's a big area.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We've covered it in this plastic film. So all of the interior, the saloon glass has now been covered, and we've got no condensation this morning, which is fantastic. We've even done it on the small port lights in our bedroom and in the forward cabin, and again they're the same. It's taken away all the condensation. It's only a thin film, bought off Amazon, about 15 quid for a pack, which each pack does about 10 metres. So we've used 2 packs. The front windows were a problem. We didn't film it because, again, filming in here is very difficult, lighting, etc. And 2 of us trying to work, all you'd have got was our backs and lots of cursing. Did make an error. We've had to put a piece in, but I've got plenty left, so might just redo one of the windows at some point, not today. In the last episode I showed a rendering of our plans for changing the saloon wall using acoustic panels, slatted panels, to just change the shape of it, and intending to put some drawers in. So this time we'll go through how we did it. So we're going to make a start now doing this this wall. What I need to do first is start get the first panel in, and then, well, maybe the first and the second panel in place. But to do that, I've had to take everything away. I've got to remove this bit of trim, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But the first panel will come from here out to about here-ish. It's about 600 wide, and then the second panel will come across to there, but that's the one that we need to cut in for putting a drawer in place.
And there we go.
Yeah. That one to take off. Okay.
Well, next what?
I've got another one to take out yet.
Okay. Which one's that one? Oh, I thought you weren't touching that.
I'm not touching that, but I have to take this off because the new panel will be
Okie dokie.
further out. So, and this has got 2 in. Wonderful. And I'll need to do the other side as well.
That's it. Can't change my mind now.
Nope.
That's it.
Right, so what I've done, I've just roughly marked on the plastic covering where I need to do a cutout for the electric box. What I'll do now, and I've pushed a marker pin, so I've got pinpoints on each of the 4 corners. I can now take this plastic away from that, and I can pencil draw on there where I want the cutout to be.
Guess what? We've got a hole.
Yeah, right.
Definitely got a hole.
So I'm just going to turn the power off and then see if I can feed these bits through.
One bit. And the pattress is on its way. Yep, the pattress is through.
And so we've got the first panel up. It's screwed back, power's back on. So that looks different. Different.
Get used to it.
Next one to do is across and over the top of the drinks cabinet, and I think I'll call it quits for today. So another day, another dollar, as they say. Day 2 of redoing our wall panelling.
Yesterday, Dave did this bit, which were literally straight runs, apart from obviously cutting out for the electric unit there, and we've got a little switch just about there for the light for the drinks cabinet. So this morning he's put a short piece in above the drinks cabinet, and now he's going to cut a bigger piece from here to here, and he has to cut off so he can go down. This is how he cuts. Got enough room?
Yeah.
So what's left on the table then should fit.
Oh, I've cut it wrong.
Don't jest, we haven't got that much left. In there. So that tiny little piece was in and out 4-5 times. He took the tiniest of bits off, as you can see there, look. Up.
Right, for the next bit I've cut a cardboard template for this corner, just there. So that's the shape I need to cut onto the next panel after I've had my cup of coffee. Well, more progress. We've got that corner piece in now. I'll not lie, it wasn't easy. So there we are, that's the wall done. These panels look nice. Slight change of plan, I've not put the drawers in. I spent 2 days making these drawers, but decided I liked the clean look of the panelling.
Right, Dave, so what's next on your list?
So I've put a cap over the top to protect the top of the slats, and I'm now just oiling this with teak oil, not oil but teak oil. I'm going to pour some in, and it's just to protect from little droplets of water that we're still getting, as well as we've done quite a bit of work at protecting from condensation. I can't protect the aluminium frame, so we get running down places like this, and we just get a little bit of moisture in. It's perfectly dry at the moment, now I've said that. So that's to protect that and protect the tops of these slats, because that's a fibre, and I don't want
that getting wet.
And it also means that when I polish, I get brown marks on my cloths
Yeah.
because I take off the teak oil.
Yeah.
And now going around doing oil with everything's going to be teak oil again, so it means when I clean up next, I'm going to have lots of brown streaks.
Just the teak oil just gives the teak, because this is teak,
Yes, I know it's teak,
and you can't get it now.
but
The boat is of an age where it
still
used
have
real
to,
teak.
because it's wood, I still polish it. Yeah. Because it gets dusty. So that looks quite nice.